got another package. Alright, I'll go check it out. Good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing or unbagging video delivery from Bullion. Feel free to check them out. They always have a large variety of purchasable items. Looks like there's another package in here, so they do pad everything. Keep everything from bouncing around. So this is empty. Set this aside. They do come in sleeves. Depending on the order amount, you order, I think, in multiples of 20. They'll put them in actually in the tubes. But if you order in singular amounts or smaller than 20, they tend to come in sleeves. I got some of the 2021 St. Helena Silver Queen's Virtue Victory 1 ounce coins. So, put that up there for now. Put this over here. And there we go. Nice and shiny. You can see it's kind of a blend of the Queen's image, classical style. But then we have kind of this cyber background pattern. If we look at the edge, you can see it has a typical ridge edge. Sharp ridges there. I can see. If we look on the reverse side, here we have a very nice classical image of the wings, profile, and also again that kind of cyber style of a background. So what we got here is Victory through Harmony. Let's see if we can get that mark right there to show. There's another single one. Pretty neat. And then I got a couple of these. Silver Piedfort, Kookaburra, and Baby Next Generation 2 ounce coin. So, leave these aside for now. Kookaburra, a little baby on the lower right. And then Queen's image with more of a radial and a very big sunburst pattern all the way towards the actual image right there. See if I can get that to pick up. There you go. Okay, and again on this side, very strong radial image all around. And the strong ridges. So this is a little bit thicker because it is a 2 ounce coin. So again, these are some examples of silver coins from Bullion. Feel free to check them out. And if you ever check out other unboxing various videos on the channel, we'll also do some show and tell as well as curios for the curious. And feel free to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.